Hey, good afternoon, guys. Thanks for clicking in. I'm down here at a commercial restaurant in the Denver area at a certain lake. Primo Real Estate. This is their outdoor focal point. Exposed burner, glass beads, and 2 varieties. And then over here, your standard made in China. Look at that, exposed hose assembly. What not to do with your outdoor focal point. The one thing that they did get right, though, that I'll use in this video is the ergonomics tied to the furniture, to the fire pit itself. You gotta hide all this and put in a Breck Ironworks steel log set. And guys, this is the a la carte special because I will certainly be pitching our wares to this particular commercial opportunity. Again, Waterfront, Denver, on the patio at, could it be? Said Patio. So you do a rectangle, a trailhead is ideal, and you cover all this up and you just have the media of the logs. About 12-inch height to 14 inches for the height would be ideal, and that's your happy place. 970-759-3103. How not to finish a fire pit.